Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Today's news is going to be about the Galaxy Note 9. Now, it's been spotted by the CEO of Samsung using the Galaxy Note 9 in public. So it puts to rest all the rumors and leaks of the images of how this smartphone is going to actually look. Now, if you look real closely, if you look up under the bottom, you can see the camera placement. Also right up under it, you can see the placement of the fingerprint scanner. And also, he's using the S Pen with this thing, so I can't wait till August 9th to see this thing live. I am very excited about this, but let's talk about the biggest news of them all, which is about the S Pen. Now, we know that it's coming with Bluetooth connectivity. That has been confirmed, but let's talk about some of the features and functions that has been leaked. Now, it's only leaks and rumors. Take this with a grain of salt. Okay, now one of the things that I believe that was going to happen with the S Pen and how it's going to charge is come to life. It is going to charge within the slot, which makes more sense to me, right? But they also say that it's only going to take 40 seconds to charge this thing, which is pretty cool, right? Now I'm thinking it's going to be taking some of the charge or some of the battery life from the 4,000 milliamp hour battery that's going to come with the Galaxy Note 9, which should be no problem. They also said that the S Pen uses low energy and that with 200 clicks, that's how long it will last before your battery actually goes dead. Now we don't know how that's going to fully work because we don't know about all the features and functions that's going to come with the S Pen, but what we do know is that you will be able to use this S Pen as a shutter. So if you need to take pictures, selfies, portraits of your family and things like that, this should work fine, and to possibly open other applications. We don't know what applications yet, but yes, other applications. Now, this is what I'm really excited about as well. Now, I've gotten a different color Note 8 this year. I really was looking for the blue one. Now they're coming out with a blue and gold one, right? So if you get the blue and gold, the S Pen is supposedly going to be gold. Now I believe they're coming out with a brown. Me personally, I'm excited about this blue and gold. I like the combination of colors, and they're saying that if you get that one, the writing that's going to be on your screen when you write with your pen, it's going to be yellow as well. Don't know how true that is. We can only wait and see when it comes, because if that's the case, then what colors is black is going to be? What color is, I don't know, burgundy going to be, or brown? We don't know yet. Again, remember, this is all speculations, rumors at this point. But right now, given the information that you've just gotten, does this excite you to get the Galaxy Note 9? Does this turn you and bring you to a place of finally saying, hey, I'm going to upgrade to the Galaxy Note 9? Or are you going to stick and stay with the Galaxy Note 8? Or are you going to upgrade from the Galaxy S7 to the Galaxy Note 8? Which one? Alright y'all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the info. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.